Hello everyone, I am RobertWho, and guys, welcome back to another My Little Pony Tell Your Tale episode reaction. And this, I actually figured out what the last episode number was. It was episode 5 of Main Melody, and this is episode 6. And this is this episode's called The Unboxing of Izzy. And I think I've seen like the first half of it. Towards the front, I even kind of saw well, spoilers. I kind of saw the rest of it, but it was in a different language. But I didn't really understand what was really going on. So anyway, so this will be episode 6 of My Little Pony Tell Your Tale, and this is the unboxing of Izzy. So without further ado, let's jump right into this reaction in 3, 2, 1.
Get ready for the ultimate.
We get a little bit more hitch in this episode. And she's in the box. Oh wow, she sounded just like Pinkie Pie right there.
Traps were disabled. Note to self: check traps first.
A little help here.
I love how his pin is just a picture, like a figure of himself.
The release button isn't working.
That's definitely a sound you don't want to hear.
Fine, this will be fun. I've never been a box before.
Planned the tour with stops I knew each of you would love. Izzy can't do a tour in a box.
Ooh, you just gave me an idea. Is it levitating? Did I do it?
Get ready for the ultimate.
Oh, come on. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. Let's see if we can try this again.
Izzy!
And nope, that's not it. Sorry about this. Come on. There we go. Okay, back on track. And let me turn this down too.
Did I do it? Am I a levitating box?
This is ridiculous.
Yes.
You can't even see.
But I can use my imagination.
Tour's canceled.
Huh? Wait, Hitch, look!
Okay, fine. Right this way. Our tour begins with the Maritime Bay Town Square.
Oh, so we're going to see a little bit more of Maritime Bay. And of course the movie theater. I know, hold up, I want to pause this and go back real quick. Let's see if I can go back just a little. Okay, hopefully, the cursor keeps, little bar thing keeps getting. Anyways, this poster right here, that's supposed to be the Jaws spoof-off poster. I love how they still haven't taken that one down. Well, anyways, I just wanted to comment on that. Ooh, no. Ooh. It causing property damage. It's like a balloon, only it's a heavy metal balloon. Okay, how do you hold on to that with your hooves? And again, their butt tattoos are lighting up again. I'm not sure what that's for quite yet.
I thought you'd love this, Izzy.
I do love it, Hitch. My favorite place in all of Maritime Bay. We're looking at a parking meter, right? Oh, I love those things.
That is it. We have to get Izzy out of there now.
What is with him just biting stuff?
Adorable cube prison?
Don't you ever give up, Hitch. We just gotta think. Me and you, Pony and Box.
I still love how Izzy's so positive, even though she's stuck in a box. Uh-oh.
Izzy!
Izzy!
guess only Izzy could say that. Ooh.
You have got to be kidding me. My perfect tour.
Hey there, Hitchy Poo.
Hitchy Poo?
This tour was supposed to show you that Maritime Bay is an amazing place to live.
Hitch, mission accomplished.
Huh?
We just had a blast. And it's all thanks to you.
Yeah, I've always wanted to see the Louvre. It's like a totally famous museum.
And how cool was that ropes course? I'm definitely going to check that out.
Of course.
You all
It's
like
the
Maritime
sporty
Bay?
girl.
We love
I
it!
feel more at home now.
Best tour I've ever been on. Seriously.
See, Hitch? When something doesn't go to plan, you just have to wait for it. Think outside the box!
Sonny, that was so bad. Oh, man. That was so bad.
Outside the box. Aha!
I'm a unicorn again. We made some good memories, though. Didn't we, Box? Now I can take the real tour.
Aw.
Right this way, and you'll see.
And he's stuck in the box. Only difference is he doesn't have levitational powers. Okay, so that was the unboxing of Izzy, episode 6. Yeah, this wasn't my super favorite one, but I actually like this one. This was a sweet one. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to get back into doing some more reactions. Well, I really want to finish Philly Fantasia and Pony Life, because I only got a few more episodes on Pony Life, and I still got quite a few episodes to go through Philly Fantasia. But yeah, so I guess we'll just have to wait till another episode comes out for Tell Your Tales. So anyways, I'm RobertWho, and I will see you guys in the future.